Good morning, old hillbilly Joe here, y'all. How y'all doing out there in YouTube land? Oh, guess what? It's awesome, y'all. I'm going to show you a video of peace and quiet early in the morning, y'all. You're not going to find this in the Philippines, y'all. I'm going to show you something that when you wake up in the morning and you have a peace of mind, totally quiet than you're used to. This is what happens sometimes early in the morning, okay, where you can get outside, right? You can enjoy a cup of coffee, all right? Just imagine you wake up in the morning and you have a cup of coffee and a cigarette and a peace of mind. Okay, I'm going to show you about what my area looks like when I wake up in the morning with a cup of coffee in my hand and smoking a cigarette, y'all. Totally different than what you see in the Philippines, y'all. Okay, here we go. See? Here, you drink a cup of coffee and you smoke a cigarette and you hear the birds chirping. That was a mourning dove, if you can hear it in the background. You see this? You don't hear loud vehicles. You don't see people with motorcycles and cars rolling by, creating so much noise. Okay? This is what it looks like, y'all. You heard the mourning dove right there? Yeah, that was a bird in the mourning dove. It was a mourning dove, y'all. You hear the birds chirping? You don't hear any loud noises from vehicles going by your house? Totally peace and quiet, y'all. No rain, no wind, no noisy people, no noisy vehicles. You're just like as close to nature as you can be. This is a maple tree, y'all. A big, giant maple tree. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? The wind's not even blowing. The sun is coming out. You hear the birds chirping. And you don't even see one vehicle rolling down the road past my house. Past the house here. You got green grass growing. Green grass, y'all. And the sun is shining. Nobody bothering you early in the morning. Isn't that beautiful, y'all? Okay, y'all. That is peaceful and quiet. No vehicles, loud noises, people yelling around, running around, making noise. One day, I'm going to even show you a more peaceful place in this world where you don't hear any noise or traffic. But that's later on down the road. I'll show you in time a more peaceful place where you don't have to worry about people or vehicles running down the road, y'all. Okay, y'all. Old Hillbilly Joe in South Dakota, y'all.